How to fix missing chat history on Messenger. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to do so, just tap open your Messenger application in your device. Once you are in here, click on the three horizontal line. Select on the setting gear icon. From here, scroll down and select on privacy and safety. Under security, select on end-to-end encrypted chats. Firstly, select on security alerts. Under manage security alerts, click on it. Make sure both of these are toggled on. Or if it's not toggled on, make sure to enable it. Head back. Then under security, tap on safe website browsing. Make sure that it is toggled on as well. Last but not the least, we need to check if our messenger is up to date. In order to do so, just tap open your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger. If there is an update button, leave it for an update and tap open once it is up to date. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.